My name is Raymond T. Meyer of Lost Island Voyages, Miami, Florida. And this is Ben and Antonio, and today we're going to touch on the subject of beginning canoeing and kayaking.
Kayaks are much like canoes in many ways, but there are some significant differences that must be taken into note.
For one thing, the seat. It's mostly like a harness with a backrest. This is important because if you don't have this, your back will start hurting almost immediately after paddling. Now, getting into a kayak is much different. What you want to do is you want to put your hands on either side of the kayak, place your butt into the center, and position yourself. Unlike a canoe, you may want the paddle to be handed to you, but you can also set it into the kayak before you go. Most kayak paddles are floatable, so you can have it set alongside you as well.
As you see, this kayak is an open style, but there are closed ones, and those should only be used when you have specific training.